Hi everybody, I'm Susan, and in this video we'll be looking at problem 37 from test 4 in your red book. So go ahead and pause the video for a moment and check out that problem now. Okay, so this problem looks pretty intimidating when you first look at it. It says 4/5 plus 7 over x equals question mark. So some of you might read this question and go, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do here. The good news I have for you is it's really kind of a simple math concept you already know that we're just going to apply to algebra. So let me give you an example without any x's yet to see what we're working with. So when you're adding two fractions together, let's say our two fractions are 1/3 and 1/4, we need the denominator, the number on the bottom, to be the same for each of them. So what we can do is figure out a number that they both multiply into. In this case, it'll be 12. And then figure out what we need to multiply each of them by to get to 12. So here's what we'll do. 1/3 times 4/4 plus 1/4 times 3/3 equals wherever we're going. And notice 4/4 and 3/3 are both equal to 1, so we're not changing the value of our fractions, we're just changing what they look like. So this becomes 4/12 plus 3/12 equals, and then it's just a matter of adding the tops. 4 plus 3 is 7/12. So this is pretty simple. Most of you guys have been doing this since probably 4th or 5th grade, and now we're just going to take the same idea and apply it to our fractions here that have the ugly x on the bottom. So we have 4/5 plus 7/x equals question mark. Now, since we don't know what x is, we don't know what needs to happen to make those equal to each other. But what we can be sure of is we can multiply this by x and this by 5, and then they'll both be 5x on the bottom. So let's try that. 4/5 times x over x plus 7/x times 5/5. Now we'll simplify those here. So this becomes 4x over 5x, and this becomes 35 over 5x. And now that we have the same term on the bottom, we can simply add across the top. So we end up with 4x plus 35 over 5x. And that, my friends, is option E.